Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Priscilla Mello and I am thy stylist. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So this right here is the Nume wand, and it's the one that comes with 8 different attachments. Looks like this. And the one I'm using is this one right in here. Usually the wand and the cord goes in here, and it also comes with a glove. It's digital. Right now it's blinking red because I already turned it off. It goes up to 450 degrees, and everything's digital, so you can press the buttons to turn it on and then go hotter or cooler. And then they just detach by unlocking this, and then it's not that warm, and then you just pull it apart. So it goes in like this, and then you just lock it in and you use the wand. Jumping into the tutorial, I washed my hair yesterday. I put mousse in it, I let it air dry, went to sleep with it like that overnight, and that to me is how I prep a style that I want to really last. Instead of just curling it with like just a protectant in there, I already put the protectant and then I put mousse. The reason I put mousse is because it's a volumizing mousse and it gives it a little bit of hold. And also mousse is very easy to detangle, so you can just brush right through it, and then you can heat style your hair and do whatever you want as long as your hair is 100% dry. I want this to be a voluminous, just beachy, wavy type of look. So now I'm gonna go in and detangle. So once it's fully detangled, you're going to take a section that's going to go right behind the ear, probably midway, and clip it up.
This look right here is super cute. I've already curled a little bit of it, but I'm just going to do it again. Just disregard it because I wasn't originally recording before. Have mercy on me. I'm still kind of new to doing this stuff.
So you're going to take a section that's not too thick. You're going to take the hair and you're going to wrap it away from the face. And you're going to lay the hair on the wand flat. And then once you feel the heat coming through, you're just going to let it go. And that's how it's going to look, and you're going to let it cool exactly the way that it is.
Wants to come in the room. Hold on.
Okay, here's Spade. Alright, stop trying to lick me. Here's Spade, guys. I think he likes being on camera with lipstick on his face. Ugh, I got his hair on me. This side, I'm going to go down and put it away from my face and keep it flat on the barrel. And then you're going to take down the next section right at the temple. As you get higher up the hair, you usually have more hair naturally. So if you feel that it's too much hair, you're going to grab a little less. I usually like to let the curls loose in my hand like this, and then I press it up like 1 or 2 times, and then I let it go. So now that I got Spade out of the room because he was chewing his bone like a savage, it's not a pleasant thing to hear in the background. This is how your hair is gonna look once you finish waving all of it. Because of the fact that there was mousse in it, it's pretty, has a good texture to it. So you're gonna run your fingers through everything you just did. Usually when I wear my hair like this, I kind of just flop it back and forth throughout the day. Like, I don't really part it anywhere particularly. I just wear it big and voluminous.